Lesson 7.2 Enhanced Teacher Education Curriculum Anchored on Outcome-Based Education. In the learning outcomes, identify the desired outcomes in terms of competencies of the new teacher education curriculum. Be familiar with the degree programs, the contents, the delivery modes, and the assessments in the new teacher education program. Analyze the new teacher education curricula in the context of outcome-based education. Reflect on the pre-service teacher preparation to become highly qualified global teachers. As teacher education curriculum initiatives geared towards globalization, contextualization, and the indigenization and other reforms or enhancements. A lot of harmonization is being done by educators, curriculum specialists, faculty, teachers, students, and all stakeholders. Outcome-based education philosophy, system, and classroom practice gives a teacher strong signal in the reconceptualization of the teacher education curriculum. So let us learn how a teacher education curriculum embraces the philosophy, system, and classroom practice of How do the current teacher education curricula anchor on the outcome-based education? What are the features and competencies that each future teacher master? How will these competencies enhance the attributes of the teacher education graduates? So in this module, we'll attempt to answer those questions. So, competencies of quality teachers as mandated by the Teacher Education Program Outcomes CMO 74 to 82 S 2017. All teacher education degree programs as mandated by the Commission on Higher Education or CHED will produce teachers who show evidence of the following achieved outcomes after 4 years of schooling and earned a degree. The first outcome is demonstrated basic and higher levels of literacy for teaching and learning. The second outcome is demonstrated deep and principled understanding of the teaching and learning process. The third outcome is mastered and applied the subject matter content and pedagogical principles appropriate for teaching and learning. The fourth outcome is applied a wide range of teaching related skills in curriculum development, instructional material production, learning assessment, and teaching delivery. The fifth outcome is articulated and applied clear understanding of how educational process relate to political, historical, social, and cultural context. Outcome 6 facilitated learning in various classroom settings, diverse learners coming from different cultural backgrounds. Outcome 7 experienced direct field and clinical activities in the teaching milieu as an observer, teaching assistant, or practice teacher. Yeah. So outcome 8 created and innovated alternative teaching approaches to improve student learning. Outcome 9 practice professional and ethical standards for teacher anchored for both local and global perspectives. Outcome 10 pursued continuously lifelong learning for personal and professional growth as teachers. So outcome 10 meaning that even though you're already a teacher doesn't mean that you have to stop learning. You keep on learning until yeah. So, which of the outcomes are you developing in the subjects you are taking or have developed in the previous subject that you took? So, these outcomes are set at the beginning of your degree plan. You must put this to heart so as you go along, you will be able to master this in 4 years and will be ready to be employed after you got your teacher's license. So next is following the principles of OBE. This refers to principle 1, clarity of focus, and principle 2, designing backwards. So you must refer to your module 7.1, the 4 essential principles in OBE. So, competencies of quality teachers as mandated by the Department of Education, Order Number 42, 2017, Philippines Professional Standards for Teachers, PPST. So, aside from the quality teacher outcomes of CHED, so the Department of Education, DepEd, released a set of teacher competencies that are focused first in the beginning, that are necessary for teachers who will be teaching in the basic education. So we shall focus first on the beginning teachers competencies for career stage level 1. Beginning teachers are newly employed teachers who are mostly fresh graduates from college. As a beginning teacher, you must possess competencies that will enable you to be ready to be employed. These competencies will strengthen those that you have mastered already in your degree course. The PPST domains will clusters of competencies are Domain 1, competencies on content knowledge and pedagogy. Domain 2, competencies on the learning environment. Domain 3, competencies on diversity of learners. Domain 4, competencies on curriculum and planning. Domain 5, competencies on assessment and reporting. Domain 6, competencies on community linkages and professional engagement. Domain 7, competencies on personal growth and personal. Note, refer to the DO 42 2017 for the details. So, competencies framework for teachers in Southeast Asia, CFTCEA. So, to be at par with other teachers in the ASEAN, it would it would be important that you should also know about the competencies required to enable you to teach among ASEAN countries. So these competencies are knowing and understanding on what to teach, helping students to learn, and engaging the community and becoming a better teacher. But above all the three standard competencies, you should take note of the Philippine qualifications framework, which was discussed earlier. Yeah. So, but to give emphasis, let us bring the concept back to this section. So, the Philippine qualifications framework, PQF level 6 for bachelor's degree, PQF to PQF 6 level of outcomes, and the PQF 6 descriptors of outcomes. So, knowledge, skills, and value. So, graduates possess a broad level of coherent knowledge and skills in their field of study of professional work, teaching, and lifelong learning. Application of knowledge, skills, and values. So, application of professional work, teaching, and broad range of discipline and or for further studies. Degree of independence in work and in place. In workplace. So the teacher must be independent and in teams for the related field. So the new teacher education curricula. The new features of the teacher education curriculum. So after considering the local and global curriculum, the Commission on Higher Education approved through a commission memorandum further program standards and guidelines even also CSP. The offering of the new teacher education is to prepare teachers in basic education. The degree programs are anchored on the principles of ODE, the PQF framework, the K-12 curricula for basic education, and the general education courses for college education. To address the needed teacher quality for the 21st, the different degree programs will produce future-ready teachers in basic education. New and enhanced courses are included in the curriculum. And here are some features of, here are some new features. So all future teachers will be trained on how to use technologies for teaching and learning. The first is technology for teaching and learning 1 and 2. Next, all future teachers will enhance skills in assessment of learning outcomes. This course was the assessment 1 and 2. Next is experiential learning courses will be more focused on the application of theory to practice in various contexts. This course was Field Study 1, Field Study 2, and Teaching Internships. Next is all future teachers in the elementary level will be prepared to teach all subject areas including good manners and right conduct and the mother tongue. And there are 2 degree programs that prepare teachers to teach both in the elementary and secondary levels. Degrees are Bachelor of Physical Education, BPED, CPS, the Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, or BTVTN. And a new degree is offered for the teaching of culture and arts, the Bachelor of Culture and Arts and Arts Education. Next is 2 straight degree programs which were formerly the specialization in BE-Ed before are offered now to prepare teachers who will teach early childhood education and special education. This course was the Bachelor in Early Childhood Education and Bachelor in Special Education. And all other original courses will be in hand. So in this table was the CMO numbers 20 S2017 and their title of degrees. So the CMO 74 S2017 is the BA-Ed or the Bachelor of Elementary Education, and so on. And so all of the above degree programs except the ESS or the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sport Sciences, which is not for teaching degree, adhere to the common program outcomes stated earlier to be achieved during the college preparation of pre-service teacher, also embodied in the intended program outcomes are those of the PPST for beginning teachers and other teaching standard. So yeah, all of the title degrees are for beginning teachers and except for the BSESS course.